In this Studio 3T Highlights video, we'll go over how to migrate data from MongoDB to a SQL database. Ultimate Edition users can migrate to and from Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and IBM DB2. In this demo, we'll be exporting to PostgreSQL. So let's get started. To begin, click on the SQL Migrations icon in the Global toolbar. From the drop-down menu, select MongoDB to SQL Migrations. A Migration to SQL tutorial tab opens in the main window. It lists the 5 steps of MongoDB to SQL migrations. Now click the Get Started button at the bottom. A new tab now opens. From the drop-down menu on the right, select which SQL database you want to migrate your MongoDB data to. We'll choose PostgreSQL. Now, we need to select our source connection. If you're not already connected to a MongoDB source connection, click on the Click Here to Connect to a Server link. This opens the Connection Manager. Here, you can choose your source connection. We'll additionally need to set the target, indicating where your data will go. You have the option to save to either a local directory or to a database on a target server. For the server, click on the Click Here to Connect to a Server link. This opens the SQL Connection Manager window. Here, you can select your target server and click OK. With both your source and target chosen, we can now select our export unit. To do so, go to the plus button and click. The Select a Collection or View window opens. Find the collection you wish to export. We'll use the Customers collection. Then click OK. It now appears as an item in the area below. And for a preview of what our data will look like, select the item and click on the Mappings icon above. This information opens in a new tab. The top pane shows how the MongoDB documents will be mapped into SQL tables. And below, you can see a preview of the SQL tables that will be created. Studio 3T's migration will automatically unroll embedded documents into their own tables. Selecting one shows a preview of the underlying SQL statements and related messages in their own tabs. However, if we want to embed some content in the table, for example the street embedded object, go to Address, toggle Open, and select Street. Right-click and choose Edit, or just double-click. An Edit Mapping window opens. Here, we want to change the relationship type to Embed, and then click Apply. A preview in the SQL Statement Preview tab now shows street_fields in the address table. Now, to begin the migration, we'll need to select the target database. To do so, go up and click the Select a Target Database link next to Target Database. The Select a Database window opens. Find the database you want to migrate your data to and click OK. Now, click the Run button to execute the migration. A Confirm Migration prompt now opens. Click OK. You can monitor the progress of the migration in the Operations panel below. Finally, open your PostgreSQL target database to confirm the new tables have been successfully migrated. Voila! You've successfully migrated your data from MongoDB to SQL. Alternatively, you could have also exported your MongoDB data into a file for importing into a SQL database at a later time. In this instance, we'll save to a local directory. To do so, let's select the folder icon to locate the target where you'd like to temporarily save the file. Hit the Run button. Again, a Confirm Migration prompt opens. Click OK. Monitor its progress. Go to the location where you saved the file to confirm it was exported successfully. And it is! For more information on MongoDB to SQL migrations, see the link in the description below. This will take you to a more in-depth article about SQL migrations in our knowledge base. Please see our other highlights videos on getting more from MongoDB with the power of Studio 3T. Thanks for watching and happy migrating!